Question 6C. First step is to work out e of x, and the way we do this with a multi-line function is to say the integral of x times each formula for f of x with the relevant limits. So 0 and 1 are the relevant limits for the top line, 1 and 4 are the relevant limits for the second line, four and 6 are the relevant limits for the bottom line. And the first stage is to multiply everything out. Integral of 2x squared over 9 between 1 and 0. Integral of 2/9 x between 1 and 4. And the integral of 2/3 x minus x squared over 9 between 6 and 4. And if we integrate, that's 2/27 x cubed in square brackets between 1 and 0. It's x squared over 9 between 4 and 1. And it's 1/3 x squared minus 1/27 x cubed between 6 and 4. With the wording of the new syllabus, it doesn't say use calculus, so you could actually have got away with putting the integral straight into the calculator, in which case you get 2 7/9 or 2.78. Moving on to part B, the cumulative distribution function. So when there's three lines rather, it's easiest to see it by way of a sketch. If x is between 0 and 1, we do the integral of 2/9 x between x and 0 dx. If x is between 1 and 4, then you'd say the integral of 2/9 x between 0 and 1 plus the integral between x and 1 of 2/9. And if you simplify that, well, I'll do the simplifying later. The third situation is the integral of 2x over 9 between 0 and 1. Then the rectangle in the middle has area 2/3, and the third element is the integral between 4 and x of 2/3 x. Beg your pardon, 2/3 take away x over 9. And all of that needs simplifying, so that the final answer turns out to be 0 for x less than 0, x squared over 9 if x is between 0 and 1, two ninths x minus 1/9 if x is between 1 and 4, 2/3 x minus 18x squared minus 1 if x is between 1 and 4. Beg your pardon, if x is between 4 and 6. And finally 1 if x is greater than 6.